Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Ashwin Sparkles. The main aim of this channel is you should be very clear in aptitude and reasoning to crack any competitive exam and also engineering. So, guys, today we are dealing with math puzzle, which is very interesting and which improves our math and aptitude and reasoning skills. So, guys, let's do the problem. So, guys, this is the puzzle. So guys, in this how to do is generally to attempt this type of questions, generally some guys, let's imagine numbers and put them into substitute in the boxes and to get answer. Generally guys, we imagine substitution, it is imagine process only because we take many numbers which is not suit into problems. We will do with a basic math sense which will give up a answer. So guys, let's look up that. General guys, for this, take variables instead of blanks, which would be solve in linear equations and then solve into get values and substitute in these blanks, we get a perfect answer. So guys, let's fill this blank with a, and this is with v, and this is with c, this is with d. So guys, from this write equations, nothing but a plus b equal to 8. A plus b equal to 8, equation 1. And another one, a plus c equal to 13. This is equation 2. Another equation, c minus d. Sorry guys, we have missed this place. C minus d equal to 6. This is equation 3. And next, b plus d equal to 8. This is equation 4. So guys, by same method, nothing but solve linear equations, we will do these problems. So guys, now subtract equation 2 by equation 1, nothing but equation 2 minus equation 1, that is 2 minus 1, which is equal to a plus c minus of a plus b equal to 13 minus 8, nothing but 5, nothing but 13 minus 8. So guys, here plus a minus a cancel, which gives c minus b equal to 5. Let's take equation as fifth equation. Let's guys, now adding equation 3 and 4, we would eliminate d. Our target is eliminate any one variable that gives to which matches with equation 5. So guys, after adding equation 4 plus equation 3, nothing but here minus d plus d cancel, we will do that c minus d plus b plus d equal to 8 plus 6 14. So this is plus d minus d cancel, which give b plus c equal to 14. This is equation 6. So guys, what you observe from equation 5 and 6, if we sum up, the b is eliminated, nothing but c minus b plus c equal to 14 plus 5, simple 19. So guys, minus b plus b cancel, now 2c equal to 19. So simply c is equal to 9.5. So guys, we get c. So we will easily obtain all variables using the single c variable. So guys, it is simply here c equal to 9.5. So from equation 3, c minus d equal to 6. 9.5 minus d equal to 6. So take d to RHS side, nothing but d equal to 9.5 minus 6, which is 9.5 minus 6, nothing but 3.5. So our D also came. So here C and D are come. So if we take equation 2, we will get A simply because C already we know. Nothing but A plus C equal to 13. So A equal to 13 minus C. Nothing but 13 minus 9.5. Nothing but A equal to 3.5. So our A also get. Now from equation 1, what we understood? If we substitute A, B also come. Nothing but B equal to 8 minus A. Nothing but A is nothing but 3.5. 3.5. So 8 minus 3.5. 8 minus 3.5, 4.5. So guys, simply, so substitute here, nothing but A equal to 3.5 plus B equal to 4.5, next plus C equal to 9.5 minus D equal to 3.5 plus B is equal to 8, this is 6, this is 13, this is 8. We can also test by adding this 3.5 plus 9.5, nothing but 13, 3.5 plus 4.5, nothing but 8, 9.5 minus 3.5, nothing but 6, 4.5 plus 3.5, nothing but 8. So guys, to do this problem, it is easy concept. If you like my video, please subscribe, share to your friends, which is helpful to many aspirants. So thank you guys.